Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to play video files using batch file in Windows 7. On the desktop, I have created a folder, new folder, and in that I have copied two video files, each having MP4 format. Now I want to play these video files using batch file. For this, open Notepad and please type the following code. Please select here video to play. Here I want to give some space after this. Echo video 1, echo video 2, again I want to give some space, and please type set ch1 equal to and type set /p space ch1 equal to select your choice. If not defined, your choice. It will show you a message. You must select here, select your choice, and after that please type pause space and null. Go to main and close the bracket. If percentage ch1 equal to first, go to 1. If percentage ch1 equal to 2, then type go to 2 and close this bracket. And here we need to add files to 1 and 2. cls, please type start video 1.mp4, go to main and semicolon second start video 2.mp4, go to main. Here please type cls. After this, come to file and save the file as bat file, and I'm selecting the destination as desktop. Save this. Now come to desktop and let's try to run the file. And here it is asking for please select your video to play and select your choice. I'm selecting video 1, and here we got Windows cannot find video 1.mp4. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again, because we need to copy the bat file in the same folder where our video files are there. Now let's open this. I want to play the video 1. And here it is showing the video 1. Similarly, I want to play second video. This time I don't want to give any selection. Simply I'm entering this, and here we got you must select a choice. Again it will go to the main and asking for our choice. Like this we can play video files using batch file in Windows 7. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.